This conference will now be recorded.
In this video, I'll be walking you through the paycheck calculator. To access the calculator, on the left-hand side of your screen, you will select Payroll and then Check Calculator. You'll have this screen open where you can select which employee you would like to do a calculation for. And by the way, this section is just informational because you cannot actually produce a check. You can't process this with a payroll. This is just a FYI informational. How do I do this? So find the employee that you want to find out the results for. Find out technically if you want to calculate workers' comp to see what those numbers would be. If you need accruals or if you want the system to calculate minimum tips, but that comes unchecked. You have the ability to do a gross to net breakdown, of course, or you can even select a net to gross breakdown. If you select net to gross, the wages will be grayed over, where you'll have to enter the net amount that you want to pay the employee. If you do choose a gross to net breakdown, again, you will need to select what type of earnings you want to pay the employee. And if you need to enter the number of hours for an hourly employee, and the amount will produce. If you need to add another record, another earning code, you can select add. And now you have another row where you can add other hours as needed. All right. So scrolling down, the tax information is brought over from the employee's current setup. So if you like, you can block federal taxes from being withheld or state taxes. You can change the employee's setup if you needed to. Scrolling down further, we see any deductions on the employee's file. So if you needed to include any of them in the calculation, you can select those on the bottom as well. Once you have all your information in, you'll select Calculate. And this will produce your results. So scrolling up, we'll see the gross pay of the amount, taxes, any deductions if there were occurred, and the net pay. Again, there's no way that you can print this. There's no place to save this. There's no place to process this with a payroll. This is just informational only for research and your own information. Thank you very much. So once you're done, you can either close this or go back to adjust as needed. If you have any further questions, please contact your payroll provider.